Okay, so this is how you set up the DNA desk model. Making up the two sides of DNA are the ladders, which are alternating sugars and phosphates going down the sides. The sugars sit close in and bond with the bases, and the phosphates sit outside the sugars. The bases follow our base pairing laws of A bonding with T with 2 hydrogen bonds and C bonding with G with 3 hydrogen bonds. And you're setting it up in the order that is listed in the teacher instruction sheet. And so yours is going to be 8 long from top to bottom. I give you one side of DNA and you have to build the other side of DNA. When you're done with this, you're going to be asked to build some RNA. RNA has 3 key differences. The first difference is that RNA has a different sugar. It has ribose instead of deoxyribose. The other patterns stay the same, with phosphates alternating between the sugars and the sugars, and the sugars matching up with the bases to create the steps of the ladder. The other difference is that RNA has no base thymine. Instead, they have the base uracil. So I'm going to replace that thymine with the uracil, and I have A bonding with T instead of with U instead of with T. And the last difference is that RNA is a single strand instead of a double. If I were to read this strand of RNA, I would read U, C, C. I would consult my codon table to see what amino acid base was brought in by that. So U, C, C is serine. Inside of your table are some cards that have different amino acids, and I could say that these 3 bases code for the amino acid serine. And there's some problems at the end to read codons through the codon table and to serine. That's all.